Total Cleaning Services, where freshness meets precision.
Imagine the start of a new day. The office doors open, the floors shine, the air feels fresh, and every workspace sparkles with spotless confidence. That's the standard we deliver to our clients every single day.
When pests invade, they threaten your home and health. From ants to termites, from cockroaches to mosquitoes. No matter their size or number, every pest poses a risk, and every one of them is firmly under our control.
Our expert team provides a complete range of professional cleaning services, from contract cleaning and once-off deep cleans to carpets, lounge suites, and mattresses. We restore every space with care. We specialize in pest control, pool maintenance, and high-rise window cleaning, all delivered with precision and the highest safety standards. To complement our services, we also supply a full range of high-quality cleaning chemicals, protective equipment, essential COVID-19 products, and stationery. Everything you need to maintain a spotless, safe, and productive workplace. With branches across Botswana, our network ensures help is always close at hand and ready to serve. Wherever you are, from corporate offices and schools to government facilities and private homes, you can rely on us for dependable service and exceptional results. Contact us Gaborone Head Office, +267 3105 490/+2 67 310 5489. Clockwing, +2 67311 9671. Email, totalcleaningservicesbotswana@gmail.com. Website, www.totalcleaning.co.bw. Facebook, Total Cleaning Services, BW, Total Cleaning Services Botswana. Excellence in every clean.